People once said that love is always a dare, but I wanna stay with you, always be there. So I ask if your heart has a place for me. Eternal love and faith is what our fate shall be. Like a river that flows steady and wide, may this marriage be constant with life as our guide. Give me your hand, my treasure so dear, because without you I don't want to be. Like the path that we now walk side by side, our love will withstand every storm and tide. Take my promise, forever true, from now on together, just me and you. Two hearts are beating now as one, a life of love and faith has begun. In the glow of diversity, colors so bright, we announce our union here tonight. Starting a new life today, conquering hurdles and chasing the gray. Marriage is more than a word on a chart, an anchor for two, never to part. From the very first moment the feeling was real. The two of them share such a wonderful deal. No looking back, just the future in sight. A marriage born in love's purest land. We build us a future of colorful stone, a place for the two to call their own. Years of togethers and love lie ahead, faithful and laughing in the life that we thread. Joy that is new, never looking back, just me and you. I can't help myself, I love you so, my heart is dancing.